Well, well, well. Look at this newbie.
Back off, Clarice. He's none of your business. Percy Jackson and Clarice of one of the ugly darling areas.
Watch your mouth, wise girl. We'll pulverize you tonight if you don't mind your own business. And for you, Percy, I got an initiation ceremony for you.
Percy.
Whatever. Come on, I'll show you.
You little brat.
Hey kid, I'm gonna kill you now so that you won't be able to return the lightning bolt. Yeah, right. I've been playing forever and I can't die. But I have a plan. I win. Fine. I'll give you the helm. You have done Hades a service. Now you can give me the helm. Is there a finder's fee for the helm? Fine. Yay!
I will defeat you.
I'm underwater. And you swim out? Okay. I'm back. Thank you. I'm dead. I'm dead. I thought he was dead. We found the helm. Let's get out of here. It's kind of getting scary and dark. Have you guys retrieved my helm yet? Yes. Okay, let's have a dance party.